Hello everybody, this is Micah with Food Travelers. In this episode, we share our experience staying at the W Taipei Hotel. This is a very convenient location. It's located about 1 kilometer, about 15 minutes walk to the Taipei 101. It's across the street from the Breeze Xinyi shopping mall, and then also about a block from the Dream Plaza department store. It's also very close by the Paradise buffet, and there's also an episode for that we went to a while back, and there are a lot of great restaurants nearby as well. The Taipei City Hall subway station is also across the street. So we got the wonderful room, 2 double beds, non-smoking city view. So being a Marriott hotel, you can have the option to do the online check-in for the digital key. And the room has a maximum occupancy of 3 people. It is about 43 square meters or about 463 square feet. And according to the hotel website, there's no rollaway beds or cribs allowed it. And along the entrance is the master switch for the room, do not disturb button, and the light switch for the entrance area. The room features floor to ceiling windows. And as you enter the room, you have the foyer area with the mirrors. The bathroom area is right by the entrance with a separate area for the toilet, and the toilet is electronic and will open the lid when it senses you are close by. It's great that they have all the amenities that you need with plenty of bath towels. There's complimentary drinking water as well. For as of January 1st of 2025, in accordance with the government regulations, the single-use toiletries such as like the toothbrush were no longer provided for the self-service. This is a big thing, as it was nice to see the different type of hotels providing different type of or single-use toiletries. Some were really nice quality ones too. Unfortunately, these are now only available for purchase. Another thing I thought was pretty interesting with this hotel was the design of the closet space. So the closet space kind of opens as a double door from that you can enter or the closet from the bathroom side and from the main entrance area. And you see the safe deposit is only available from the entrance side or the room side, while you can still access your luggage or your wherever that you need to hang up in the closet from the bathroom side, which makes it really convenient. Another thing I thought was pretty convenient was the doorway to the bathroom from the room side. You could either enter the bathroom from the hallway entrance area, or you can enter it from the room side. And those doors are not so soft closing by any means, so you really have to be careful when you're opening them. You can see in the video earlier that when I was opening, I was not very gentle with it, let's say that, and you can see that it was just bouncing back from the hinge there. So another thing I wanted to mention about was that bathroom door or the bookshelf on the bathroom / bedside. It's not very convenient, or it's not very practical design, in the sense that since there's no actual door for the shower side, all the steam while you're taking a shower goes directly into the bedroom. So in that sense, I feel like they can either change this or they can update their ventilation system so that you don't have that problem. Especially if you're staying here with another person, but if you're just staying here by yourself, I guess that's not an issue. So in this room, they left some treats at a table under a TV with a note for the check-in arrival. It was nice to see those little treats there. It's always nice when the hotel gives you something to eat for your arrival. And being a W hotel, it is a very nice decoration. They really put a lot of attention to detail for the different type of room decorations, where all the placement is for the USB plugs, the outlets. And another thing I thought was really nice with this particular hotel was the in-room Bluetooth stereo system. They have a very nice written instruction for how to pair your device with their system, and it's a 2.1 system and with a subwoofer, and surprisingly it's not very loud. I understand why, so that you don't disturb the rooms next door. Next to the lamp is a telephone, drink mixer, kettle for the hot water, and then a Nespresso machine with the Nespresso pots. On top of that is a drawer with the snacks and then also the single-use toiletries for purchase. And along the shelf is a wine bottle, wine glass, coffee, tea mugs, and they have some oats drinks and some nice TWG tea bags. I think it's great that they have some higher quality tea bags. Sometimes in some of the hotels we've stayed at, you don't have such a nice quality of items. And beneath all of that is a fridge, and the fridge is also next to the subwoofer for the Bose sound system. And beside the bed is a sofa and a side table with the notes to remind you to pull and turn the TV rather than turning your head to watch the TV, which is kind of nice. Sometimes you forget that. And on the bedside table by the window is a wireless phone charger along with a telephone, notepad, controls for the lights and blinds. There are more USB-C and USB-A outlets. Something I found really nice with this hotel was having the different type of outlets. Oftentimes is when we're staying at different hotels is you have to bring your own charging hub, and just so that you can have the correct outlets to plug in and charge all your devices for your stay. Overall, I really did like this hotel. I thought it was a really nice location. So stay at the W if you want to be right in the middle of everything, since it's literally on top of the train station and the best malls in Sing-Yi. The decor is super modern and hip without feeling like a stiff old school hotel. Plus, the bar and pool areas are always busy, so it's a great spot to grab a drink and hang out before heading out for the night.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.